بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب زدني علما.
So in the previous section, we have covered about the BGP neighbors. We need to understand the IBGP configurations and verifications. And also we need to understand some eBGP configurations and verifications and the next hop self behaviors, and the next hop self command where we use and how to configure and what exactly it will do. So once we are through with the neighbors, now we'll be moving on with the BGP path selection process. Now, just like we have EHRP routing protocol, which will decide the best route based on the bandwidth, delay, load, MTU reliability. These are the different metric values it uses. Similar way, if you're using OSPF, it uses 10 to the power of 8 divided by bandwidth. If I'm using RAP, then it will see the hop counts. So every protocol have their own way of selecting the best routes. Similar way, in BGP also, we have the BGP path selection process, but this is totally different from the IGP protocols. Because again, the BGP is not designed to operate within the same AS, so the behavior will be different. So here we'll be using plenty of options. So there are plenty of options you have, and those options we call them as attributes. And these attributes are divided into some categories. And there are some attributes which are compulsory BGP carries along with the updates. So the first thing we'll try to understand what are exactly the BGP attributes here. Now attributes refers to attributes generally refers to the options what are used to calculate the best route. So in BGP there are 4 different categories of attributes here. So the first, the main classification will be, we have something called well-known and optional attributes. Now the difference between them is well-known means it's just something like recognized by all the vendors. Means every router which runs BGP, whatever the vendor, whatever the router, when it is running BGP means it's a kind of supported attribute or well-known attribute. So in terms of behavior, these classifications, optional attributes are nothing but not compulsory. Means there are some attributes which are not compulsory to implement, means you don't need to configure them. They are kind of optional. You know the meaning of optional, not compulsory. So these are the 2 main categories. And in this main classification, there are sub-classifications. In terms of sub-classifications, total there are 4. Now the well-known is again further classified into well-known mandatory and well-known discretionary attributes. Now the well-known mandatory means must carry. So when must carry means when a router sends any update to its neighbor, whether it is an internal BGP neighbor or whether it is external BGP neighbor. So what it will do is it will carry the route, let's say the 10 network route, and along with that it will carry some attribute information along with the update. And there are 3 well-known mandatory attributes here. So when the BGP carries any update, it will not only carry the network, along with that it will carry the AS path, like from which AS it is originating, and also it will carry the next hop information, what is the next hop router information, and also the origin code. Again, we'll talk about these individual attributes, what they are exactly. So the meaning of mandatory means it must carry. When a BGP carries any update, so in short, we call it as well-known mandatory. Well-known means recognized by all BGP routers. And when it carries, it must carry the update. Now, similar way, we have well-known discretionary. Discretionary means it may or may not carry, depends. Means just like opposite to must carry, may or may not carry. So there are some attributes like there is something called local preference value. This attribute information will be carried only to internal BGP neighbors. but it will not carry to external BGP neighbors. Again, when I come to the actual attributes, I'll cover this local preference also in our section a little bit later on. And there is one attribute called atomic aggregate. When you do summarization in BGP, it will carry this information, some information. And if you don't do that, then maybe it will not carry. So it depends upon the type of the neighbor or the type of the configurations. Discretionary attributes are nothing but they may carry, they may not carry, depends. And likewise, we have another classification called optional transitive, optional non-transitive. Now, the basic difference between these two is whenever a router sends an update, a BGP update, now this router receives that BGP update and it will receive some attribute information along with that update. Now, there are two possibilities here. Now, this router may actually understand this attribute information. So basically, this router may not actually understand what exactly this attribute. Because there are some attributes, some attribute configurations, some BGP routers may not understand. Like in this case, let's say the router receives this update and it actually do not understand what to do with that attribute. Now, there are two possibilities. So either it will simply forward without understanding, simply forward it to the neighbor, or simply discard that attribute information and do not forward. So normally the transitive attributes will carry forward those attribute information even though they don't understand, whereas non-transitive will not forward this attribute information. So it's a kind of behavior. So in terms of behavior, we have something called transitive. Transitive means it will forward even though it does not understand that attribute information, just like it will simply pass on. Whereas in non-transitive, it will not forward that attribute information, or it will discard that information before it actually forwards the routing update to the neighbor. So in terms of behavior, these are the attributes. Again, in transitive, we have aggregator, community attributes. Again, in non-transitive, we have MED, originator ID, cluster ID. So there are plenty of attributes you normally have used in different scenarios. Mainly here in this section, we'll be seeing some of the basic attributes here. So again, these are the definitions, well known, recognized by all the vendors. Discretionary may or may not be present in the update. Optional transitive might or might not be recognized, but it will be passed on. But whereas in non-transitive, even if the router does not recognize, it will simply ignore the update, and it will not advertise to its peers. The same thing what I have explained here.